How to get Matcherino pins in Brawl Stars. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Google. You can do it on your phone or your laptop or PC, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is just follow these steps. And after opening up your browser, simply search for Matcherino pins Brawl Stars. And after that, open up the very first link over here. And after that, this is where it will take you. Now simply scroll down and here you would get different events for different dates, and make sure to select any of these events where you can see these pins, otherwise you might not get it. Suppose I'm selecting the very first one over here, and after that just simply click on this option of contribute and fill out your details in order to get these pins. If you are contributing $2.5, you would get Mandy contributor pin, or if you're contributing $5, then you would receive the contributor pin. But if you want to receive the both, simply contribute $7.5 and you would get both of these one. And the first contributor in this event will also get this one.